My name is Henrik Brand. I really loved to come back here. I came here for the first time in 1999, and ever since I've been here every year when they have arranged the Great Wall Marathon. I have a plan, but I'm not young anymore. I'm 66 years old. My big dream is to run at least 25 marathons here. That will be in 2028. And it is also my plan that my marathon here, number 25, will be my marathon at all, number 100. There's been a lot of change. I can see a lot of building has been built. There's some big buildings. The traffic has changed a lot because you got electric cars. Now there's not as much smog as earlier.